Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline hatch, stock reference number 4394. This shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 5th month 2014. It has a CAYB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a KFK 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CAYB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a 5-speed manual gear shifter, standard heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.